What's up, guys? My name's Bird Boy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, make it turn gray, and hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. So today we spotted some grackles in the yard. They like to go under our bird feeder, and they don't really feed off of it. And sometimes they go on the ground and eat the seeds, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the grackles. Oh, one more thing for the grackles. They like to dig super deep. They start their hole with their legs, and then they dig the rest with their beak. They're like worms. So, next thing, we had some black-capped chickadees, and there's just a lot of them. They're usually the first bird to discover a bird feeder. So yeah, and then we had a mystery bird, which we still don't know. It has a red head, a yellow body, with some green. So, yeah. So, bye.